Hello, my friends. Today, we will do something a little different. Are you ready? Let's practice listening together. Today's topic is dreaming about travel. Sometimes, I sit by the window and I dream about travel. I close my eyes. I imagine a quiet train in Switzerland. It moves slowly through the Alps mountains. The trees are green. The sky is blue. I feel calm. I dream about walking in the streets of Paris, France. I don't know the language. I don't know the streets. But I feel excited. Every corner is new. Every sound is different. I stop. I look. I listen. I dream about the beach in Bali, Indonesia. White sand. Blue water. Waves coming in and out. I feel the sun on my face. I take off my shoes. I walk barefoot. Soft sand under my feet. I dream about small cafe in Rome, Italy. I sit outside and drink coffee. I watch people pass by. Some are laughing, walking fast, holding hands. The air smells like bread and flowers. I dream about night trains in Japan. Soft lights. Clean seats. I look out the window. City lights shine in the dark. I feel like I'm in a movie. I dream about sleeping in a small cabin in Norway. In the woods. No phone. No noise. Just birds, trees, and the sound of wind. I sit with a book. I drink warm tea. I feel quiet. I feel safe. I dream about markets in Morocco. So many colors. So many fruits. People talking, laughing, smiling. I try something sweet. I buy something small. A gift. A memory. I don't travel much now. But in my heart, I travel all the time. Through dreams. Through books, through stories. One day, I hope to go. Maybe far. Maybe not so far. Maybe alone. Maybe with someone. But even now, without tickets, without plans, I can dream. And dreaming is a kind of travel too. And you? Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Keep practicing your English. See you next time on Easy English Learning with JoJo. Bye bye.